Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI in order to earn money with cryptocurrency. So in this tutorial, we will use ChatGPT to help us achieve this purpose. So first of all guys, I will need you to grab your devices, whatever device you have that's got a browser in it, and then open this browser. After that, go to this URL section and write open AI. So that's simple. Now, without any further talking, just click on this button which is try. So click on it, and then this page shall be opened for us. Now, if you have an account, this page will directly open. If not, they will ask you to create one or just sign in using Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter account. Now, after we came to this page, so let's talk about, for example, what are the cryptocurrencies with higher potential. So as you can see now, it will start giving us some information. So it is difficult to predict which of cryptocurrencies will have the highest potential, as the market is highly volatile and subject to a wide range of factors. However, some cryptocurrencies that have shown strong growth in recent years. So there is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Cardano. So let's take for example Cardano, what is the highest price of Cardano. So let's take for example the highest price of Cardano ever recorded was on May 4th, 2017 when it reached $1. However, the price of cryptocurrency can fluctuate greatly over time and can be affected by a wide range of factors. So now, for example, write me as an example of a simple cryptocurrency trading bot. So as you can see now, so example of cryptocurrency trading bot can be built using the Python programming language, etc., etc. And now it will just like give us some examples. So here's an example of simple trading bot that buys and sells based on the moving average of the last 20 periods. So as you can see, it will start like symbol ADA or Bitcoin. Time frame is 1 hour, and movement average is 20 to 5. So long term is 20, short term which is 5. So as you can see here, there's all the code. You can just copy it and paste it on your Python and start using it. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.